This video will show you how to specify a PyTorch tensor's minimum value threshold by using the PyTorch clamp operation. First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.3.1 post 2. Let's now create a PyTorch tensor full of random floating point numbers. We use torch.rand. We want the shape to be 2 by 4 by 6, and we assign it to the Python variable pt tensor no min val threshold x. Let's print this Python variable to see what we get. We get a PyTorch float tensor of size 2 by 4 by 6. We see that it is in fact 2 by 4 by 6, and we see that all the numbers are between 0 and 1. Next, let's create a PyTorch tensor based on our pt tensor no min val threshold x Python variable, and we want to set the minimum value as 0.5. So if anything is below 0.5 in this tensor, we want it to be clamped and we want it to be replaced by 0.5. So we use the PyTorch.clamp operation and we assign that to the Python variable pt tensor 0.5 min val threshold x. Let's print our variable to see what we get. We see that's a PyTorch float tensor of size 2 by 4 by 6. Let's just look at the second array versus this one. So the first element, 0.523, that's above 0.5, so we see the value is the same. This element is 0.19, that is below our minimum threshold of 0.5, so it has been updated to 0.5. This value 0.757 is above our threshold of 0.5, so it comes through as it was before. So you can see that any value above 0.5 in the original tensor remains the same. However, any value below 0.5 has now been clamped and updated to be 0.5. Perfect. We were able to specify PyTorch tensor's minimum value threshold by using the PyTorch clamp operation.